Welcome everyone to another video, and today I'll be upgrading my PC, and the little one's here watching her tablet, so you might hear that and also some music in the background that I'm playing on my laptop. But yeah, it's long overdue. I'm trying to switch the CPU cooler. It's a little loud. It's been getting louder, so I think it's about time. And I took advantage of some Black Friday deals on Amazon, and we're going to be changing out the fans as well. The case fans, they're pretty bad, and those fans did not last long. Cooler Master doesn't have very good fans, and I'm kind of sick of it. And we're also going to possibly replace the power supply, and I have to see. I'm gonna like do a pre-build and make sure that I have enough power with everything that I got going on here. So we'll see how it goes, and we'll just kind of do a quick vlog and update you guys on the PC build. So here is the current state of the PC. The fans got all like brownish, turning tan. Cooler Master fans, all dusty. And the lights stopped working, so they started losing like LEDs or something. I don't know. Some of the colors are not consistent, or just they turned to a different color. I did install these two RAM sticks. That was also part of my purchase. So now I'm from 16 to 32. And also the color on the Corsair, some of the colors are not showing up. So those are dying. And I've only had this for like about a year or so. The fans are really loud. I'm not really happy with how loud it is. Alright, so we took all of the fans out, took the old CPU cooler, and just kind of took the dust out a little bit. Yeah, so not too dusty. Surprised how well it's kept up. So we'll see what we can do. And I'm not going to change the power supply because I did the build on PC Builder or PC Part Picker, and it looks like the watts on it is not too bad. So the estimated wattage is around 498, 500 watts, and the power supply is 650, so I should be fine there. And if I ever do want to overclock it, I should be fine there too. But yeah, just getting this all cleaned up, and I'll be showing you guys the new parts here soon. Alright, so I went with these fans. They had some really good ratings on Amazon. It's a great deal for a 5-pack, so I only really need, or is it a 6-pack? I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6. So I only need 1, 2, 3, 4 fans. So 1 here, 3 here, and that's it. And if any of them go out, I can just replace it. So that's nice. We'll see how this works. I'll have links in the description if you're interested. Here are my hard drives. I'm actually using 2 terabytes, a what is this, 120 gig SSD, one of my first SSDs that I ever purchased. Kind of cool. This has my original PC where I did my original PSP videos and stuff on there, the OS and everything, and I have Photoshop. So I tried to hook it up with this machine because I have a rigged Photoshop, but for some reason it doesn't really operate very well. And then I have one here, the solid state drive. I think this is 250. And then I have the this guy right there, and that is 500 gigabytes. So that's pretty nice. I have everything that I need. But I've been very worried lately because it gets too hot and the fans are not working right, and I'm gaming very hard. I'm streaming and things like that. And then we have this beauty. I just got done cleaning it. It's my beautiful 2080. And when I made the build, I'll have a link to the original build on this. A lot of people made fun of me because the new 3060s and 3070s and 3080s and 90s were coming out. I was like, what a waste of money. And we were just getting into the pandemic. Actually, you know what? We were just barely getting into it, and a lot of people were making fun of me that I made this purchase. But now you can't even find this one at the price that I bought it. I bought this thing for $850, and this is going now for $2,000, I think. So joke's on them. And I'm very happy with my GPU, and I don't see why I would be upgrading anytime soon with, with everything that I do. But anyways, here is my, oh, look at that beauty. That's a $300 CPU cooler. And I went with this bad boy because I really like ASUS, and they have ASUS. They have a very good brand. They're very good. It's a very good brand. I like this brand a lot. And yeah, I got the white edition on sale, and so it was originally like $325, $350, and I got it for like $282, $280. So I'm excited to put this bad boy together and see how it rocks. Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Easy DIY-Fab. These fans are off Amazon, and we're going to be installing them. And very excited to see how it lights up and works. And here is the hub where you connect all the fans to. And there's the SATA power. Very nice. And then this will connect to other LED strips and such. And what's cool about this hub is that it controls, or it's controlled by a little controller here, and you can also control the fan speed. So that's very cool, very nice. And I like the idea of having a controller out instead of going into the PC and pressing a button from the backside or whatever. I see a lot of that with these fans, and this is one of the main reasons why I picked it up, is this little controller. So we're gonna install it, and we're gonna test it out and see how well it performs. I'm not gonna do too much testing. I'm just gonna do like a quick sound test and see how we'll see how the lights go and how the fans and everything like that, and just do a quick video on this stuff. So yeah, just installed the front 3 fans. Take a closer look at what we got here. And this bottom one was really difficult. The holes made it extremely difficult, and to get into these little holes and stuff to screw the bottom to were very difficult, and the holes were not cut out right, so I had to like pre-screw it in and then take it back out. So it took me longer than expected. These 2 were just fine. This one was really nice. This should have been on the bottom. That would have been a lot easier to deal with. Here are the rubber guard thingies, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, not bad. Sorry, my kids are in the background having some fun at like 9 o'clock at night. Alright, so just installed the front 3 fans and just cleaned off the Ryzen 9. Very nice. Took some more dust out, things like that, so we're good. Pre-installing the fans on the radiator. Very nice. Then that's the next thing we're going to place. Alright. Got the beautiful CPU cooler up there. The ROG Strix, ROG Strix LC RGB series liquid CPU cooler. Pretty cool. Very excited. Got all the fans up and running, or well, installed. Very nice. And now we're going to turn it on and see what we got. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Not bad, not bad. Very nice. Whoa, look at those lights go. That's crazy. That's wild. Look at that. Take a little light show. Very cool. I do have to install the software for the CPU cooler so we can get the little LED to work there. So it's not too bad. And I'm gonna get it all set up, connect my monitors and stuff like that, and get it nice and tight there. Put the glass window on, and then we'll be testing out the colors and all the other fun stuff, so it'll be great.